Provide a clear and unobstructed mechanical service corridor wide enough to remove and replace large units without demolition. When planning house construction, the mechanical service corridor width thumb rule is to allow a clear passage between 36 inches and 48 inches so typical mechanical equipment can be carried out safely. Choose 48 inches when you expect larger future units or anticipate using a cart or two-person carry. Position equipment with service clearances on all sides according to manufacturer demands, and map out swing arcs for doors and removable panels so covers and duct collars can be removed without repositioning the unit. Use continuous flooring thresholds and avoid steps or abrupt level changes in the corridor to enable wheeled dollies and small lifts to pass. Plan for a minimum turning radius if corridors connect to stair landings or tight bends. Where equipment will exceed corridor clearance, design removable wall panels or short removable wall sections that restore finish after replacement, and where possible incorporate a service door sized for stretcher access that also functions for equipment egress. If units are located near exterior walls, include a knockout panel and a platform for a small crane or a lift, and coordinate roof or window openings with structural framing to accept lifting points. Work with a structural engineer to size headers and temporary bracing. Document all corridor dimensions and access strategies in the mechanical room schedule and in the as-built drawings so future contractors have clear instructions for unit removal and replacement. Common mistakes include designing corridors too narrow, which forces destructive removal of finishes or studs. Fix this by adopting the 36-inch to 48-inch clear corridor rule and verifying with actual equipment dimensions and transport gear. Another issue is neglecting removable finishes, which turns a simple swap into a full rebuild. Plan removable panels, doors, and short removable wall sections at the design stage and show them on drawings so they are built into the finished scope. A third concern is failing to plan for lifting or crane access, which makes large replacements impossible without major exterior alterations. Solve this by reserving an exterior lift path, providing structural lifting points, or specifying removable exterior panels and coordinating with a structural engineer ahead of installation. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors by project type and region so we can compare options for designing accessible mechanical corridors. We also help contractors find work and share techniques in our discussion community where we exchange practical solutions and on-site lessons.